I'm going to show you what's inside this little blue bag, and it's a game changer. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, I'm Corey, and this is the Northwoods. And you can see here behind me, we're camping in some pretty remote area. Along with that comes mosquitoes and black flies. Now you might be familiar with your typical Thermacell devices. If you're not familiar with these, you should become familiar, because these things work awesome for getting rid of those mosquitoes and biting flies, black flies, things of that nature. But they run on a little butane cylinder that's down inside here, and a scent pad up on top to ward off those flying insects. The problem with these devices though is in that little butane cylinder, and right here's one of them. They only last about 4 hours, so you go through a ton of these if you are on an extended camping trip, and it gets kind of pricey buying these all the time, especially if you camp a lot. So in today's video, I'm going to show you what's inside this little blue bag. So this is what we have in our little blue pack, and it's a Thermacell Backpacker. Now this here is made to run off of the canister butanes that you use for little backpack stoves and things that you'd carry in your pack to go into the woods roughing it. Mounts right on top of the butane cylinder. Now those butane cylinders are still pricey, anywhere from $17 to $20 a piece. So we're going to show you how to convert this to a 1 pound propane tank. Okay, so inside the box we have our Thermacell device and some of the scent pads on top. There's 4 of them there. And let's go ahead and we'll pull the backpacker out of here. And it does come with that nice little pouch you can put it in, so that way it doesn't get all stinky in your bag or whatever. And this here's the backpacker. As you can see, it's got a little thing down here. Has a butane connection for going to those butane cylinders for the camp stoves. We have our on-off, and then over here we have an igniter to ignite it. And up here is where our scent pads go, and they put just a piece of cardboard in there for right now. We'll go ahead and pull him out. Of course, he's got your little warning on there. So we're going to show you how to convert this to your normal 1 pound propane tank. And we have a lantern base that we can mount our propane tank in so it doesn't tip over on us. So how we go about converting this is you go on Amazon, and I'll put a link down below, and there's quite a few different places that make these. These are a little propane to butane adapter so that you can run your butane devices off of propane. So what this does, we can go ahead right here, and this butane adapter will screw right on the end of our Thermacell. Make sure he's nice and tight. And now we can go ahead and we can take the top off of the 1 pound tank here, and we can screw him right on top of a 1 pound propane tank. Alright, so now that we got him mounted, to go ahead and turn him on, we're just going to flip him on. And then right here's our igniter. And give him a few clicks. And we can look right here inside the viewfinder to see if it lit or not. I'll give you a close-up of the cell phone with that. And I can see that it's lit inside there, and it's burning. And on this 1 pound propane tank, this thing will burn for days. Literally days. This thing uses little to no fuel whatsoever, and this thing is going to last for a long time. I'll include links to all of these products in the description below, so if you like the video, make sure you give it a thumbs up. Comment below what you do to help ward off mosquitoes and biting flies at the campsite. Don't forget to subscribe, and until next time, if we don't see you on the road, we'll see you in the next video.